Today I have got another recipe which is parval, which will be steamed. So before we start, please like, share, and subscribe Jayasree Kadai Katha English as well as Bengali channel. So I am taking mustard seed 1 teaspoon and 2.5 teaspoon yellow mustard seed, khaskhas 2 teaspoon, and grated coconut of a half coconut, and in the stone grinder or silbatta we call in Hindi. So I'll grind the mustard paste and green chili and khaskhas as well, and to a fine paste. Once done, we will remove in a small plate. So this is done. Then we'll grind coconut into fine paste. So you can see how beautifully Jayasree is doing it. I've taken 8 parval. We'll be cutting the edges, scrap it, then cut the parval into lengthwise halfway and the other side also halfway lengthwise, so that it cooks well when we fry it or shallow fry in a kadai. The more you do this shallow frying and the color comes, that is more it will become more tasty. Depends you want to put more oil or less oil. So we don't use for frying for more than one time. So we keep oil little less because we are into fit in the movement. So we have to, whenever we do, you see this color has already come. So some more color you can do it so that the water content of the parval can be completely removed, and that is achieved. I'm putting the paste in the container which I will be steaming. Little turmeric as well, and I'll arrange this parval into beautifully so that the masala coats eventually everywhere. So I'll put little more liquid and mix it along. Now I'll be adding mustard oil, little more in quantity, and a few tomatoes de-seeded, and putting little green chili, and we'll cover it. And today we'll be cooking it in a induction cooktop. So I am putting a in the initial part for heating up the water. Once the water is reached to 60 degree, or you can steam it to 100 degree as well, you have to put full power and cook it for 15 minutes till it becomes soft and juicy. You see how beautiful this is looking, and this has to be eaten warm with warm rice. And you can see this looks so beautifully, and it looks so colorful, so amazing. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is my English channel, Jayasree Kadai Katha. I request you to please come and like this channel and subscribe as well. Thank you. Bye bye for now.